Hello friends, how are you all? Today we are going to make a delicious recipe. The main ingredients of today's recipe is beef heart. So let's get started. First I took a big piece of beef liver. Then I gently tore off the thin membranes from the top of the liver. Now cut the liver into two parts and wash it thoroughly with water. Next, I heated a little oil in a pan. Once hot, I added the piece of liver. Then I sprinkled some black pepper and salt on top. I did the same on the other side as well. Then added a little butter and 2 cloves of chopped garlic. I fried everything together until the liver was perfectly cooked and the aroma spread. Next, I cut a piece of aluminum foil, placed a small plate inside, and warped it neatly. I placed the cooked liver inside the foil and warped it properly. Now let's move on to making the sauce. I took some mushrooms and chopped them. I heated a little oil and some butter in a pan. I added the chopped mushrooms and sauteed them until lightly golden. Then I added some tomato sauce and stirred it well. Next, I added a little soy sauce, cinnamon powder and garlic sauce and stirred again. Finally, I added black pepper and heavy cream and cooked the sauce until thick and creamy. Now I mix the cooked mushroom sauce with a little mayonnaise in a bowl. This mix is my secret sauce, which gives a unique flavor to the dish. Now it's time to prepare 2 potatoes for frying. I cut the potatoes and heated some oil in a pan. When the oil was hot, I added the cut potatoes. I fried them lightly until they turned golden and crispy. Once fried, I took them out using a strainer. Now it's time for plate decoration. I took the foil warped liver, remove it and slice it thinly. I placed the sliced liver on the plate and added the fried potatoes. Finally, I poured my prepared sauce over the liver and potatoes. Every bite melts in your mouth with the best flavors. The creamy sauce perfectly complements the tender liver. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Please like, share and comment below if you tried it.